welcome to our cooking video. Hi, it's a really rainy day, and so it's gonna rain like all day. So we're going to buy groceries so we can make a big meal. We're gonna make what is it? Spinach mushroom stuffed steak, mashed like garlic smashed potatoes, mac and cheese, asparagus, and then like we're gonna do like bread. So we're gonna go grocery shopping now. We're entering. Oh. Bring you over. That's also purple. I think that's like, it's like when bananas are green. Okay.
Those are these ones.
The bottom.
How many? One?
Huge bag that's already like. Okay, I don't know how to tell. These are bigger. Georgia and Emma went off to find a puzzle for Joey to do. And we are looking for bread. Did you find it? Oh, you found them. We're looking for breadcrumbs.
They don't have any puzzles here.
No
Walmart.
No puzzles at all?
They have like 51-piece puzzles for children.
That's funny.
America's
Wait. We were supposed to be going in that aisle. We're looking for breadcrumbs. Okay. Right here. We need panko. Right there. Got it.
To maximize your savings, 1, 50. 2, 49. 4, 54. 6, 99. Or look up item alphabetically. Place item on scale. 3, 37. Place item on scale. Use pin pad to complete transaction.
This is the wrong card, so I hope that didn't go through.
More rewards not activated. Touch go back to re-enter more rewards info or select payment type.
Not my dad's.
Use pin pad to complete
That's
transaction.
not that bad. Except we didn't get the steaks, which are gonna be like $100.
Were you gonna put these in or?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. We don't have a.
Emma, show us the puzzle.
Figure it out.
We bought a puzzle for Joey.
It has butts
Has
and
butts on
a
it.
pride cake for Joey. Don't put that in there.
Okay. Okay, we're leaving Walmart. We have the puzzle, and we have popcorn chicken. Oh, it's gonna rain. It's raining, so we need to put that. We're starting the cooking or the process. We have our steaks on right here.
Courtesy of Dave.
Yes. So we need to. We already got the split in them. For stuffing, okay, we need a saucepan. In a saucepan, cook spinach according to package directions. Drain well, pat spinach dry with paper towel. Oh, this? Nice. I don't know. This is how you do it. Not really how you do it.
Do we wash the spinach?
It's washed. It comes washed in that bag. I'm gonna slice a finger.
What do you mean cooking doesn't work on Mondays?
Do you wash mushrooms?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, washing don't leave it in water. That's
about right.
Very much spinach, so I think that's.
Where?
It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. Whoa.
How do I cut mushrooms? Do I cut this like this?
I would cut it like. Wait, let me see.
And then
That on,
yeah,
stir it up a
laying it
little.
the
You'll
other
see
way.
it'll kind of just
cut
wilt
them
down.
kind of smallish.
Then
And chop here, 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 and then try to keep it together.
don't think this is helping my swollen eyes. Oh my god. This is a really strong onion.
Oh God!
Yeah, it hurts.
Oh Lord! Stir in spinach, salt, thyme, and pepper. Sage.
We have to let it cool before we stuff the steaks.
Steaks are in there, in that tin foil.
Yeah. Babe, what would you use to sanitize the stove? There was meat juices on the stove here.
I don't know. The heat
Take a
transfer.
little, put a little Dawn on the dishcloth there and just wait.
What are we doing now? Macaroni?
If you were
But I think we should wait. So just do nothing?
Yeah, you probably want to wait
just
till
before you were
these have an hour and a half left. Yeah.
Okay, so we have an hour and a half to do nothing.
Sorry.
Cheers. Go that way. They're doing a puzzle over here.
It has butts on it. I told you that. I told the camera 6 times now.
Okay. Oh, you just. That's a choice.
I didn't mean to, really. I didn't really think that through, actually.
You
You just pour the pasta in the dry pan.
What?
You just pour the pasta in the dry pan.
No, it has water and it just wasn't boiling yet.
I talked about that this morning.
Weird.
But I'm no, This is the puzzle update. It's actually coming along, except I just want to say I did that whole thing.
Kind of.
What do you mean kind of? I did all of this.
Not really.
Yes, I did. Besides this edge, I did all of this.
I did some of it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I
3
did.
pieces. I did all that, except maybe this piece. Guys, what the hell?
I believe Ocean.
At the end of lift today, Bryce was asking Brielle and I if we could pistol squat. And first Brielle tried normally, and she couldn't do it. And then she goes like this, points the toe, and then tried to do it, and she still couldn't. But it was really funny. She's like, I'm thinking maybe if I do it a good form, which I thought I would be able to, because when I'm skiing, my foot's behind me. I can't do it out like this, but I can
Look at this Parmesan cheese. It's giant, the size of my head.
stuck in there.
Here's the puzzle update. I'm adding in the cheese. Good. Shredding cheese frantically. And this is supposed to be, oh my god, it's too hot again. Too hot again, too hot again. Okay, this is being mixed until smooth, except it is smooth. It's in a different pan. Probably because I've been washing my hands with freaking dish soap. See where I had to
Empty. Can I like?
exactly, almost exactly half of the 1,000-piece puzzle.
Yeah, half the people, half the pieces.
Ouch! Okay, someone else's turn to cut potatoes. Yep.
Not it. Not it.
How bad did you cut yourself?
Not that bad, it's just right on my knuckle. Okay, well, first of all, yeah, they already saw that. I put an orange Band-Aid on my cut. It hurts. Then also, it's coming along because these are the steaks. The potatoes are boiling. The asparagus is ready to go in. The bread is ready, and the table's set. Good job. And the garlic is cooking. The mac and cheese is done. Look at that, it looks so good. And then the asparagus is about to be cooked, and that's for the mashed potatoes, and then the garlic is cooking still. And the table's even more set now.
I mean, I can get like when I.
Is it getting very close already?
I can probably get up at 7 because I
Burnt my finger, so now I'm not touching hot things.
Yeah, it's very, very hot.
Back up.
Roasting my fingers too. There we go.
This is our final meal. Look at that mac and cheese.
I really want that.
Final meal. Look at those steaks. They have like nice stuff coming out. Okay, let's go. This is the final food.
We're finally on our way to Joey's.
I'm sorry.
Everyone's there, but we were ordering Georgia's senior pictures.
Because my coupon code for my pictures expires tomorrow. So I had to do it tonight. Except it was just so much harder than I thought it was.
And everyone's already there.
I'm gonna go.
And it's raining still.
It's raining. It's been raining all day.
All day.
It wasn't raining. I think it was raining when I left Lyft this morning. So like 8:30.
It like stopped a couple times, but it's like, it's a lot.
We're going to Joey's.
We're watching The Fall Guy.
Just so excited. It's such a good movie.
Yeah, but we have to pay for it.
Joey has to pay for
It's
it.
okay.
But I hate the rain.
Anyways,
What do you, Joey? Literally chill. What time does the Dow Jones open?
I have no clue.
Hey Jack,
You were president of the stock market club.
Jack, have you?
Stop.
On 3.
I'll be in lane for 1
Jack,
minute.
Jack.
Jack,
Jack.
you be lane.
Oh, he's gone. He's on the stair. Grab his arms.
Whoa.
Joey just wanted the fucking chair.
I'm gonna go, then George's gonna go, and then you're gonna go. Okay? Oh, so you say, we're gonna say, just give me my money. Just give me my money. Woo! Just give me my money. Woo!
Give me my money. Yay! Did I do it, Dad?
No.
It's Penky.
What is with you and people's eyeballs? They're holding hands.
Jack.